Drones, sleeper cells. Gurdaspur arms haul points to ISIKhalistani terror nexus in Punjab. In a recent intelligence-led operation, the Anti-Gangster Task Force AGTF of Punjab Police thwarted a significant terror plot connected to Harwinder Singh Rinda, a Pakistan-based operative of Babar Khalsa International (BKI). Leveraging credible intelligence, the Anti-Gangster Task Force recovered a high-grade weapons cache from a forest area in Gurdaspur, thereby averting its delivery to Rinda's ground associates. DGP Punjab Gaurav Yadav confirmed that this arms dump, consisting of 2 AK-47 rifles, 16 live cartridges, 2 magazines, and 2 P-86 hand grenades, was part of a larger ISI-backed terror scheme targeting Punjab. According to top intelligence sources, Gurdaspur holds critical importance for Khalistani terror groups in ISI. CNN News 18 elaborated on the strategic significance of Gurdaspur for these operatives and hybrids associated with Canada-based handlers, highlighting its border proximity and terrain advantages. Sources reveal that Gurdaspur's terrain, which includes river channels and dense forest areas, is ideal for drone infiltration, arms dumping, and crossings. This area has historically been used for terror logistics by ISI and Khalistani operatives due to its proven track record in cross-border terror movements. Notably, the Dinan Agar attack, where 3 Pakistani terrorists infiltrated via the Gurdaspur sector, and multiple drone arms drops from 2020 to 2024, underline this risk. Intelligence sources confirmed that Punjab Police, along with central agencies, intercepted over 40 drones in the Gurdaspur region in 2023, further substantiating the area's role in terror logistics. DGP Punjab also affirmed that terror modules are increasingly utilizing Gurdaspur's forests and farmland edges to establish cold dumps of arms and explosives, intended for activation months later by sleeper modules following instructions from Pakistani handlers. Investigations indicate that Gurdaspur harbors radicalized sympathizers linked to former jailed prisoners, diaspora-funded handlers, and families associated with ISYF, which facilitates a cross-border smuggling chain for safe passage of drone payload retrieval and human operatives. Swipe left for next video. The Dera Baba Nanak corridor in Gurdaspur connects to Kartarpur Sahib in Pakistan, a route exploited for radical preaching, propaganda exchanges, and message couriers posing as pilgrims, sources say. Central Intelligence continuously warns that this corridor could be misused by ISI to legitimize the Khalistani narrative, sending communication devices, pen drives, and route maps. Sources confirm that ISI handlers operating from Lahore, Multan, and Bahawalpur regularly brief Harwinder Singh Rinda, who then directs Indian-based operatives via encrypted communications. Gurdaspur remains the primary receiving station for these terror modules, specifically for arms recovery, before transporting them to main districts such as Bathinda, Moga, and Ludhiana. This recent arms recovery underscores the shift towards long-term storage and sleeper cell strategy, deviating from earlier quick delivery terror modes. Intelligence sources indicate that the Pakistan-backed proxy war targeting Punjab's security continues to rely heavily on Gurdaspur as a pivotal frontier. Latest blogs.